In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pickup option on Big Cartel. So you've got your Big Cartel online store up and running, showcasing your amazing products to the world. But what if you want to offer your local customers the option to pick up their orders instead of waiting for them to be shipped? Not only does this save on shipping costs, but it's also a convenient option for both you and your customers. Let's dive into the steps on how to make this happen. First things first, head over to the Big Cartel website. This is where everything begins. If you're already familiar with navigating the site, this will be a breeze. Once you're there, you'll find the login option, which is your gateway to accessing the back end of your online store. Click on it and you're one step closer to adding the pickup option for your customers. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your shop's unique URL. This is essentially the address that directly takes you to your Big Cartel dashboard. Enter your credentials and don't forget your password. If you're already logged in, or once you've navigated these initial steps, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's add the pickup option. On your dashboard, search for the discounts section. This might seem a bit counterintuitive at first. Why go to discounts when you want to add a pickup option? Well, Big Cartel allows us to creatively use the discounts feature to offer special services like in-store pickup. So click on discounts and then add a discount. Now in the discount code field, type in a code that's easy to remember. Something like pickup would be perfect because it's straightforward and clear to your customers. In the description box, you can type pickup again, or something more descriptive like in-store pickup option. This is just to remind you what the code is for. Here's where you customize the pickup option. Click on the section that allows you to stipulate the conditions under which this discount can be applied. You need to adjust these settings so that they don't inadvertently offer a discount, but merely act as a marker for orders that are to be picked up in store. So don't select any discount amount, since this function is just to flag the orders for picking up, not to reduce their price. As you continue, you will reach the when and starting selection criteria. These options allow you to define the time frame this pickup option is available. If it's a permanent feature of your store, you might not need to set a specific time frame. However, specifying a start date can be useful if this is a temporary option or if you're starting it at a future date. Finally, tick the option to limit the use of this code to one use per email address, ensuring that it's not misused. This keeps the system organized and prevents any possible exploitation of the pickup option. After all, you're offering a convenience, not a loophole. Once you're done, don't forget to hit save. And there you have it. You've successfully added a pickup option for your Big Cartel store. A couple of things to bear in mind. Communicate this option clearly on your store's website and social media platforms. You want to make sure your local customers know they can pick up their orders and how to indicate they wish to do so. Also, consider setting up a specific area in your shop or studio, if applicable, where customers can come to collect their orders. This keeps the process smooth and professional. By offering a pickup option, you're enhancing the shopping experience for your local customers, saving on shipping costs, and potentially driving more foot traffic to your location. It's a win-win-win situation, and that's how simple it is to add a pickup option to your Big Cartel online store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tutorials on how to make the most out of your Big Cartel experience.